Story. I go to London. It is a very beautiful summer day. I am traveling on a train. Two women are on the train with me. The woman sit opposite me. The woman speak English. I don't understand much. I study English, but I am a beginner. I don't know many words. I start to speak to the woman. I say some words in my basic English. The woman understands what I want to say. I am happy. I say that I want to learn English. The woman tell me that they are from England. They go home from a conference. Our conversations is 10 minutes long. The next station is my station. I say goodbye. The woman give me their address and phone number. They tell me that I can visit them in England. Then we say goodbye. After this meeting, I work on my English every day. I translate texts and I watch films in England in 6 months. My English is better. It is good, but I want to know more. I go to London. I want to study English in London. When I am in London, I go to school. My first lesson is on Monday. I meet my teacher and other students in the class. My teacher is a young lady. She is very nice. We say our names. We say where we are from. Then the lesson starts. Our teacher has a question for us. She wants to know how we study English. Our teacher says that she can teach us a very effective method to learn English. This method is very simple. Our teacher tells us that we don't have to study, we don't have to read textbooks, but we have to use English a lot. It's very good for me. I don't like study and I don't like textbooks. Then we speak about what is important when we learn a new language. Our teacher tells us we need languages for communication. Languages help us say ideas and understand ideas. So when you learn a new language, the best method is to use the language for communication, and this is what we will do in our course. We will speak a lot. Many students try to remember new words. They also study grammar, rules, and these students don't use English for speaking. They study about the language, but they don't use the language. Of course, you need to learn new words and new grammar, but you don't have to study them. In this course, I want to show you a very simple and effective method how to learn words and grammar. I like what our teacher says. Our lesson continues. We speak in pairs or with our teacher. We speak all the lesson. I like it. I am really happy. This system of learning is very good for me.